Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to operate and use this ratchet tool and use this ratchet strap here. This is actually called a webbing. So we're going to go over this in detail. So first of all, we've got here three parts. In the center here, this piece that rotates is called windlass. It is basically a little cylinder with two halves. Through the middle, that's where you put the rope through the middle. And it's attached to basically two halves. This half here and this half here. The two halves are called pawls. And on the end of each pawl, we've got basically this little mechanism that has the teeth that dig into the windlass. On one side, this is what basically holds the rope here, and then on the other side we've got the handle, and the handle is called ratchet handle. It is basically used to tighten the rope. So we've got this mechanism. What we're going to do is I'll explain how to operate it. So first of all, I'm gonna close it down by, there's a little spring here which you can kind of press, and this is the closed position. What we want to do is when you feed the rope, we want to feed it through the center. The easiest way is when it's first of all, you have to feed it from the back. So this is the back side where you have the handle. This is the front side. So you want to feed the rope always from the back and not the front. Now, you feed it through the middle. The easiest way to do it is to make sure it is in a horizontal position. And the way you do it is just you turn this and you ratchet it. And now it is perfect in horizontal position. So when you take a piece of rope on the other end of the rope, all you have to do is put it through the middle, which is nice and easy, and it kind of becomes a little pulley here. What you want to do is you want to take the end here and you want to make sure you have no slack, or very, very little slack. Because if you have a lot of slack and you're gonna start to ratchet this tool, it's gonna wrap itself around this center here. And if there's too much slack, it's gonna be too much rope in the middle. So you want to start off with a minimal amount of slack. The best, the ideal scenario is you wrap this rope around the windlass 2 times, and that's it. So we have this scenario here where we have this one is attached permanently to one side. And this one we just fed in through the back. This is our front. Once we fed it through the back, all we have to do is we open up our handle and we start ratcheting. So we just go and close, open it again, close. And you see how it starts kind of wrapping itself around the center. That's how you tighten it. Once it's tight enough, all you want to do is you want to close it fully till the end, so that the safety mechanism here kicks in. These little teeth prevent it from spinning again. So now if this is under a lot of tension, it's not gonna spin back. So that's how you kind of put things together. If you need to take it apart, you open this up. There is a little mechanism here with the springs. You open it fully all the way back, and if you put pressure here, there's going to be tension, of course. It will unwind. When you're doing it, just make sure you don't have your fingers around this mechanism and these teeth, because if you have a finger like this and you open this fully like that, this will spin under pressure and you might get a blister. So once you open it fully like this, then you take out the rope again, just like that. We take out the rope and we close it back in this position, and this is closed. That's how you use the ratchet strap. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Bye bye.